Hey, YouTube world, this is your girl, Shawan Shanique. Shawan Shanique. Hey, y'all. So, today I'm going to do the 300 subscribers giveaway, and I'm almost at 4. And I'm going to do another giveaway. When I get a 5, I'm going to do one more giveaway. Then after that, I'm stopping. I'm not going to do no more until I get to that 1G, 1K. So, before I start, I got something in the mail today. So, got a package left at my house today, and it's from Nature's Box. Yeah, this time I blur out my address. You think I knew you saw it the last time? Try to come up at my spot. Try to come to my house. So, I want to see what's in here. But yeah, for the giveaway, I'm gonna do a random comment picker. It's a website. I'm gonna show y'all because I'm gonna do it in front of y'all how it goes. So, but we're gonna get into this first. Yeah, let's see what it is. After this video, I'm supposed to go hang out with some high school classmates, class of '97. That girl gonna be 39 in June. She had cancer. She cute. The paper, say what all is in here. I'm not gonna read it off because I just pull it out just to see what's in here. I like snacks. Crunchy barbecue twist, sweet and smoky barbecue seasoned lentil flour twist. It probably tastes like air, real airy. I'm not gonna open them because when I open my snacks, I'm eating my snacks. Next, what is this? What is this? Whole wheat chocolate chip cookie bites. And look, it has a resealable. So when I open it, I can seal this back together because there's a whole bunch of cookies in here. I just said I need some chocolate chip cookies. Yep. Just say that. And those are wheat. So let's hope they taste good. Oh, yeah. As you can see, my shirt is on inside out backwards because it got words on it and writings and stuff. You know, I'm not promoting nobody now unless they, you know, like they want to promote me. I'll wear that shirt. Put it on now. What's that? Dried mango. I don't eat regular mango. There's some stuff I'll probably take to work and just sit on the counter. I work at the hospital, and the nurses they'll be like, "Oh, what's that? Can I try?" You know they be on a diet every week. Nope. Don't open it unless you eat it. Gonna put this stuff back in the box because the box got foul. I need to hold it up. I can't wait to try these right here. These country barbecue twists. And the chocolate chips. That mango, I'll try, but I'm not excited about trying. And this is whole wheat honey fig bar. My son will love this because he loves fig bars. So hopefully it tastes good. It's whole wheat. So this is all natural nature box. So, and it's a lot. All I paid for was $1 for shipping, and it was free. And look all this I got. $1. I just spent $30 in Walmart. Got about 2 items. So they gon' love to try these snacks. I'm probably gonna try them before I even leave here. I like snacks. I like snacks. In other news, I'm on the road to success. I love YouTubing. This is my passion. This is not a job for me because I like it. But if YouTube want to start paying me, it's going to be even more because I like doing videos. I like going to other people's videos. I like going to their lives. Oh my goodness. This YouTube world is extraordinary. The community, everybody's loving. Okay, because I know y'all don't want to hear that. Y'all were like, man, get to the prize, man. Hurry up. Show, you playing. I'm about to get to the prize. But I'm going to have to turn the camera around so y'all can see what I'm doing. So y'all won't say I cheat. You cheat. Okay. Alrighty. So this is the video. As you can see, 300 subscribers giveaway on Posse. Blah 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 blah. Wait a minute. Why is my thing still to the side? Huh. Okay, yes, kind of a glare. But you can see this at 300 subscribe giveaway. Now, I'm going to show y'all what I'm doing. I'm going to copy this. I cut it. And then I've on this app called Random. Let me turn this off. See. Yeah. Random. YouTube Random Comment Picker. And so what I do is I copy paste our URL here, and my URL came up, and let's scroll down. As you can see, that's the video came up, 300 subscriber giveaway unboxing, and it got 11 likes, 1,280 views, and 14 comments. No, the video ain't got that many views. That many views I got on my page. Oh, that was funny. Okay, so we're gonna go to the pick the winner. Let me scroll the page back up. Damn, I didn't go that fast. Oh, okay. This is just too much. God dang it, just pick the winner already. Okay. No comment. Okay. Once I pick this winner, it's going to automatically take all the... How many comments I said again? 14 comments off this page, and it's going to automatically pick a winner. Pick the winner. Pamela Ebert. Congrats on 300. Awesome. 6. Don't know what that means. But Pamela Ebert, you're the winner. You boy. That's something my daddy say. I don't know why I say that. So we have a winner. And what I'm gonna do is I want to go to her page. And I'm going to send her a message on one of her videos, like her latest video that she did. And let her know that she win. But I'm going to submit it after I post this video so she can be able to go back and watch. And I just like posted on a comment. I like the video, comment, hey, you win, you're the winner of my 300 prize giveaway. Go to my page, put your email address on, or I'm gonna put my email address on here so you can send me an email of your P.O. box or your address or your friend address or whatever address you use, so I can mail you out your stuff. And I can mail out everybody's stuff together, like everybody. Because I'm going to mail it all out Friday. Then I got some birthday stuff to mail out too. I'm not sure. But, yep. So, I just paid. And I'm going to comment as soon as I upload the video. Again, y'all. There's your box. Only pay $1 for shipping. And if you don't want a subscription, you can go and cancel it. But it's all natural fruits. So I'm going to get dressed because I'm going to hang out with my classmates. And I'll see you guys later. Peace. Shawan Shanique.